Hello and welcome to Pulsar Measurement Academy. My name is Shaun Minton, and in today's how-to video, we'll teach you how to install the sensor for a Doppler flow meter and portable Doppler flow meter. The items that we'll need for today's installation include coupling compound, a mounting bracket, and a hose clamp. These are included with the unit. I've also brought along a 5/16 nut driver. We'll begin by attaching the mounting bracket to the pipe. For our example, we'll assume flow is moving from my right to left. First, we'll take the hose clamp and attach it through the slots of the mounting bracket. We'll hand tighten the hose clamp and then lock it into position. Next, we'll move the bracket to the 11 o'clock position to avoid any air bubbles at the top of the pipe. Now, we'll tighten the hose clamp with our nut driver. Our next step is to apply coupling compound to the face of the sensor. I'll apply a bead right down the middle of the sensor. Next, we'll install the sensor into the mounting bracket. Before insertion, make sure the mounting bracket is fully retracted. And as you put the sensor in, make sure the coupling compound does not make contact with the pipe. Once the sensor is fully installed, hand push onto the pipe and tighten the bracket. Hand tightening is just fine. In our scenario, the pipe is clean and nothing further needs to be done. However, if you're working with an older pipe, it may be necessary to sand the area or keep it clean. If your pipe is painted and not well bonded, it may be necessary to scrape off the paint where the sensor is located. Thanks for watching today's video on how to install the sensor on a Doppler flow meter and portable Doppler flow meter. For more of our how-to videos, check out our website at www.pulsarmeasurement.com, and don't forget to follow us on social media.